Listen.
No, sir.
Listen. Lady Frenchie, I bet you never do that because when you go up on the live, you're going to say to her, the kids them, you know that your blood clot says, say, Puss rub me baby them yesterday she over there say, the father put them in a different tune now. Rallying mother tell her say, rallying a fuck him own kids. You hear the nasty things them and then when you ask her in a hypocritical way. Because you never say, oh the kids, you have to look for blood clot Puss. No, Lady Frenchie.
She shouldn't have said
You
nothing.
pick up the
She
me
shouldn't
now,
have
but
said
innocent
nothing.
kids them. No, Frenchie, me not talk about you laughing. That's your personality. I am saying, when you talk to Puss about the kids, you know, can you see it for yourself. Yeah, but you don't already make your name and you're playing a hypocrite. You are playing a hypocrite and you are acting like it's me troubling Puss. Or me a post up kids, Puss children them. Whenever blood clot there, the woman rub me and my kids. No, Puss are your friend. My audio sister. My audio. Exactly. She don't. Remember saying no, she a Puss talk for her phone, you know. So in the end of the day, me don't want nobody pick up for me. They never come and you never say me would adjust because you come for me live and I say you always. But when me hear it, I'm watch it, I'm see. Yes, I said sister, what now? I know me black you. Me no black you. Fretdem black you. Sister, me no know why now go Fretdem. Who come on now?
Me.
Sister, me no know how you now come on. Sister. Make sure stay over there. May have something in store for you. Me now look. Watch.
Tanya, can I talk to Frenchie now? Big stinking Frenchie. Let me tell you, the first move that you made, leave me alone. You can't talk me out, sister. Me know you stay already. You change all of the argument because you don't want me to live on Frenchie. You know me still I live on them girl.
Me like
tell her what she do wrong. She said she did not. Sister, can I talk, please? Could you stop it?
Okay.
Stop it. Let me talk. Now, Frenchie, the first thing you make, the first wrong move you make is when you went over there talk about every time you come on live, you see Tanya. Tanya is allowed to come on live. How come you not saying every time you come on live, you seen fucking Puss? And Puss went on a vacation with Tanya, came back on her vacation with Tanya. The first thing you do, mix up woman, blender, dirty woman, what you call it, ninja, dirty woman. The first Puss sit down on toilet, pussy just drop so plop, 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 plop. You understand? You say you don't want to get involved. Stay the fuck out of it. Tanya, what you should have said was, Puss, I'm not going to lie to you. I am not taking up for you, and I'm not taking up for Tanya. But Puss, when it's all said and done, no girl, no boy, no pussy, no batting, nobody cannot tell me how to talk about my siblings. That's my siblings, especially when we spit out of the same pussy, the same sperm that made us, and we came out of the same pussy. Are you people fucking stupid?
Exactly.
You got blood clot up every time you come for life. Look, pussy and Jamaica, pussy for life. Pussy ever have a job. In dirty woman, Tanya have a man to take care of us. You come talk about bully, bitch. Guess what? You're not in my town. You're not in my city. I'm not gonna waste no more time on you, dirty bitch. Bitch, whenever you reach in New York, you could call me at 347-257-0239, bitch, and you will see what up. Don't talk. Anytime you reach in New York, that's what I'm saying. I ain't got no time for no bitches. That's want to be over the phone, talk about bully. I don't bully no bitch. Bitch, I'm too small to be a fucking bully, bitch. I just know what I'm capable of doing. And I know what I could do.
You can't show none.
You understand? So go suck your mother. You never ever watch Tanya live. Because as I see Tanya live, so guess what? Me a drying. Yeah.
Dirty
I'm
Puss,
Tanya live, me a drying. Yeah, are you
She's hurt. She's hurt.
dirty ape? You go blood, you go squeal like a dirty pig. Dirty
I'm
fear.
me fi tell ya.
Nah, you have
I'm
to
me fi
squeal.
tell ya.
Hey, people,
Squeal,
when it happen,
squeal.
may I come out, come through, no, cause me not pray people, you know. Me
Mm-mm.
tell you, me
We
tell
not play
you.
people. Mm-mm. We
You
not
see,
pam
me
pam
keep on
powder
telling yourself,
people.
low me out,
Right.
low me out. Cause you see, me pray a certain way.
Mm-hmm.
This is why I don't do criminal activity. Because me now gonna have my right and give it away. Right?
Mm-hmm.
And you over post. Look how Puss
All
come.
right, so
Puss have you over there right up with a man that rally name. Hmm?
yeah, go over there, baby. Okay.
I'm gonna do a little spell out me
Mm-hmm.
evidence them. That's all.
Sister,
Right.
don't say
And
the
me I go
word. Me
laugh
tell you already,
last.
sister, make she stay there. We are gonna make an example out of her. She's so dumb. I
Yep.
when take over there. Puss
Take
over
a
there. I say,
manga.
oh, leave the page, leave the page. That was the same thing how Puss set you up
Why?
when
Father
Baby Lee
God.
used to come over there with the
Let me never
page.
stop.
Right.
When Baby Lee
You
used to
better
come
have
over there
all
with the
our
page.
evidence then, because she say
I
I'm
we used to
me.
tell her, Puss
Cause we
used to
have
make
fear
Baby Lee
run
come
car
over there with the
and
page
1
to
year
rinse out your
straight she
dirty blood
accuse me.
clot.
And I don't know her and I put up my kids them and I do the things them. She have to go
Mm-hmm.
show them. Say me know her. Cause me no know her. The way the woman a cuss Amanda, you don't know this woman. She just come and she know say no me, the woman will use her face. And she her life, she friend. But yet still the woman a say me. And me,
Yeah.
Exactly.
Tanya. And
That's
is
why
it?
we have to make an example out of dirty blood clot. I tell you, Tanya, you have
Mm-hmm.
to, one of them have to get example. Who say them don't want to get involved? Don't go over there, go call Tanya name, come here, go come and leave me blood clot sister alone. But you run gone over there, come talk about Puss, Puss. For every time I turn lie, me see Tanya, you're a fucking liar bias bitch. You're a fucking liar bias bitch. But you're not going to come and say every time when you turn on your light,
Don't
you
tell
see dirty Puss.
man.
You're a fucking liar, man. If you're not gonna speak the truth, I speak
Hey,
just shut the
hey,
fuck
hey,
up.
hey.
Shut the fuck up. It's
Mm-hmm.
just like you see Puss over there. Enough time Puss a call me
Tanya,
name.
Tanya,
I
no
we
say,
go
have to
work
what
and
Puss
you need
celebrate.
name?
to
Me
feel.
know a dirty Puss. Me know the dirty pussy nasty woman. In drunk truck. Don't call me
Hi,
blood clot
Sister
name.
Suki.
But you come talk about say you go
Sister
don't blood clot
Suki.
like me.
Me was
Our
call you
Baby
when I
Lee
come
she
off of
gone
the
there.
live. Come
When Baby Lee
why
she
you
gone, she not.
see it. Why you see the official letter.
Mm-hmm.
Tanya,
But,
I know why you bust the secret out of the bag. Make the letter key away there. Yeah, his sister
Right.
Suki can always get a copy because you know so she had the sister and she down with it. Yeah.
Right.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, one thing me can tell you, say, you see my daughter Amanda, highly. Hey, my
Mm-hmm.
daughter sick and she spent 1 week on Twitter. I demonstrate of your voice be heard. You
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
understand? Your son
Yeah.
can't in the Black Lives Matter, you're on social media. I want you sue. I want you sue the mayor of Burlington. But why you sue her? I want you
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
to sue her.
Tanya,
You too,
me
so
tell
to
you
you
no.
think your face, your voice cannot hide, lady.
Exactly. But
Whether
another
she
Tanya,
speak
remember when we
fat
call
or
police
whatever.
panar? We
Where
can't
you
say when
going
we call
now?
police panar. The
Where you
first thing
page?
police them at Burlington know the ducky woman. Anytime you
They
call the
know
police
her.
them panar Burlington, people me not lie to you. We
They
can put up
run
the
her
number
out.
and make you call. Them know her name. Them know her. The first thing them
They
say, oh,
know
she's on
her.
YouTube, right? We got a lot of complaint about her. No lie. But you just have to report her over here
Mm-hmm.
first.
She reports enough people. That's why they don't like her up there.
Yep.
Everything she report people and they run her out.
Important people, send
But
one people.
Sam, now when you
Yeah?
send
Woman,
us
she
some
all the way
email.
from Canada. I call social worker for me. I mean, I know the woman I
Yeah?
tell be
Yeah, she have
alive.
to go explain that one day. I remember
Yeah.
she, hey girl, me forgot to go to me have some text. She had use 1347 number where she had text one
Yes.
girl and I tell the girl boy me and I talk about how Evan should die and this and that Evan now go dead. Evan she name she shall blood clot live and you shall bow
All
down.
them sick something there. Same
Yeah.
like
My
us,
heart
Look at
there.
broke.
that.
To watch out my page. I'm a look at you here, well, I look Instagram account. Every day, I 5, 6 page, my black. Because I'm a little
Mm-mm.
girl. Hmm? Why? Why you want to be on the side page?
Yeah, she's very sad, and then people don't know. I notice people when you go over there, if you attack her on her page, she not let you in. She talk about go suck your mother. Suck your mother. That's all she can blood clot tell people say if you do suck your
No, she
mother.
tell people, say she tell them over there,
Okay.
open up my page, you know, come, but you
And
did
then the
not
That's
page
what
free
no
she
work
us
did,
more.
up.
you know.
No page
Where?
no work more. Put more poor because she want people
Open
to come.
where?
Remember, me come over there and I rub out your blood clot. The first thing you did,
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Fretdem is buffering.
She named Lady Frenchie. Well, we have to say she a Puss friend because so she was on Puss Live. I think she go Monday, she go up on it twice. But in the night when she go up on it, she was saying every time she talk about the war overall. But she say, oh, every time my come on Instagram at Tanya live. She was really talking bias about me. I mean, I
Yeah.
say, all right, don't pick up for me, cause I know she see the things them post to and talk about my kids, but
Mm-hmm.
them a play hypocrite. I want divert the blame to me. Oh, every time, no, you can't say that, lady, cause you know enough time. Me not dey on live, enough time. But nobody don't want to tell her the truth, cause you know why she flick up
But
around
that's all
me
she could
and
do
do the things
is
them, cause you don't know.
show
You
Tanya's
understand? You don't
picture,
know
because
stop hit the she
none of
do.
her kids, none of
because she
Puss
bad
kids
man
ever
Tanya. Who the
graduate.
person the woman bad
None
man
of Puss
Tanya?
kids them
Oh, she over Puss
graduate.
like me. She stay over there. She a Puss a friend, right? Remember, so she and Puss talk
Let she
half the
stay over there.
internet.
Just tell her say my name. You just
None
have
of
to
Puss
see where the
kids them
country come back.
graduate. That's why she bad mind, sir. That's
Just
why
the
she
pussy
bad
girl,
mind
yeah.
Tanya. She over there show graduation picture. Yeah.
Yeah,
Tanya's
she should
daughter
have
can
shame.
she
Yeah,
should have
show
seen.
Kiara
Shame.
graduation picture. But you can't show none of your own pity them one. I go.
Right? Right.
Eh? I go.
Thank you. No, thank you for showing my niece. I am so appreciative that you are so proud of my niece and
Mm-hmm.
not your child. Thank
Of
you, Puss.
course.
Thank you,
Hey, the way you
Tings.
owe me behave. Kiara have to rub me out. Yeah, Kiara.
We
Mm-hmm.
appreciate it. Why show Kiara picture? She not
Kiara
going to behave
say,
with me while I'm
Mom,
here.
give me my surfer ticket. You see my cause my daughter friend them love me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hi babes.
Yeah.
You don't want to come on the live cause you press wait name.
How that?
No, no.
Uh, yeah, you press add, so for audio.
How that?
Who's this?
One of my friend, man.
Oh,
You want me to
Oh.
you,
just
you
press the
want me to
X up on the
oh
top,
no, you want me to take
girl.
you up. Alright, we'll take you up. Wait there.
Press the X
Lord
up on the
Jesus.
top.
Hang up.
I just come out of it and come back. Just come out and come back.
Mm-mm.
Shelly
Let
Ann,
me
she
know
said,
what Dr.
Kiara,
Frenchie over there
the
say.
dirty woman say, Kiara get surfing ticket for so cocky. But you know, say the 8 is real. The 8 is real. Yeah.
Abby, push your picking them to graduate, Abby. You have to show Tanya pretty daughter picture. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Nine.
I stink like shit.
That don't move me. That don't itch me. Huh? What's it again?
Yeah,
She's
she
her
proud
worse
of your
than
kid,
that.
but she can't proud of yours. She
She's
not
proud of
say.
your. That's what I'm
Oh,
saying.
an appears.
She's proud of your kids, but she's not proud of your one. Hmm?
Oh, oh.
Dirty
Yeah.
woman.
I agree.
And she's underage too. Hmm?
Mm-hmm. You always say, I have something in store for she. I want to gather up all the evidence. Because I want to make sure, say, when me I shoot my gun, Yeah, me I shoot the right person.
Yeah, but sister,
I'm
you don't
not
know that
doing
you
my
already, sister.
right.
Remember, no, me say you know what born with the ear to the ear God say we not dashing nothing. I want you to find some blood clot. What you call it?
Let
Text.
them know, Amanda. Nobody can stop Kara from being a liar. You understand? My baby record, my baby never get
Exactly.
knocked up. Me never get a call say, come pick her up, she there at the station. Me never get a call say she there on the road
She
or
there a
fight. Never.
thief.
So she in a gang of thief, there nothing.
Uh-huh.
You understand? Bad man a kill your dirty blood clot.
Abi.
Make you stay right there, don't
Kayo.
worry. One by one, all of them shall fall. Don't
Fall.
worry.
Right.
Don't worry. Them
Uh-huh.
say we plan the one dead it shoot. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
I will deal with
That's
her.
true.
I like when she do the stuff and me get there. Me have all of it. Me have
But
all of it. Yeah, me have everything.
mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. You walk on bad man, be a people for them nice kids. I don't mean to let's for train the kids them for be criminal. No. You understand? So you go hurt because you never hold a certificate. You never
Never.
go to your kids them graduation and hold a certificate. What we expect? Me not go
I
expect
got
your
bad
people to
mind, you.
happy.
I got bad mind.
Manda call them
Abi.
mother, see what she want. She call me, tell her me so call her.
Mm-hmm.
I'm unbothered. She showing my kids them and I be like showing care I'm unbothered. No fucking hurry.
She a idiot, yo.
Tell
She
her
have
tell her say we show water and Orico. Orico and head full up of blood clot water.
But see, oh,
Right?
Water and Orico, and
that's
that's got the
In
pedophile
blood.
big your fuck.
behavior. So
Right.
what Kiara is doing in your phone post? I don't have nothing but one of your kids them in my phone. What Kiara
Underage
doing in your
child.
phone?
Oh my
Remember,
Kiara
god.
she's
showing
a
my baby
sexual predator
picture.
now. So we
Yo,
want
but
when
that's
the
just
police
like
them
the
lock her up, they
ape.
find Kara
The
phone.
ape has
Remember?
all of our everybody's picture in her fucking
She
phone.
is stalking us.
She's sick,
She's
bro.
obsessed.
Fuck,
Fucking
man.
hell. You don't
Mm,
realize that you're fucking obsessed? Have an
Obsession is
underage baby girl
real.
in your phone talking about she suck wood to graduate. Hmm?
How does she? So hold on. I never knew people so cool to graduate. So
Yes.
who gave her the
Tanya,
certificate?
Yeah.
system
Them
was
fuckery
send a
there.
message to the boy when you Batman Nickel. Nickel, you see last time you call me sister name. Me send somebody come bust up your blood clot car. Hello, you see the last time you over there, me I send her your address, pussy call me sister name again. You see the next time you now go and only the window and it's gonna be window, tire, windshield, every blood clotting. Watch me are you. Batman, watch me are you.
Mm-hmm.
Me tell you what Puss want. Puss want me forget a criminal record. I got
Yes.
to want. So want
She,
me, she want
Then
me
she
call
want
name.
Rylan to leave you. She
Riley
want
not gone
all
away.
kind of shit. She want all kind of fuckery.
Them
She let you sit
possessful
right there.
over me and my life. You know, see
Yeah.
yesterday why she upon her life. My day and my daughter graduation a spin and a dance. And I go
Right?
like see a blood clot
Like you are
graduate.
graduate.
I say,
Right?
Kiara, for run me way, man. Kiara, run me way.
Right.
Mom,
To give me my
mom,
certificate.
mom, give me myself a ticket.
That was funny. Kara
Wow,
said,
I'm gonna
Mom,
start
you act like
one,
you're the one
so.
graduating. Mom, you act like you're
Oh
graduated.
God, you know what it is to have a teenager in this time. People, I'm telling you something, yeah? Last year, the whole house catch COVID. Kiara catch COVID while she was studying to do her exam. That's
Mm-hmm.
how strong my children them are. My kids them stay
Right.
like me. You see, anything I want put my mind to. I when me
Mm-hmm.
sick and I dead. I can't say me I do it. I'm say
Right?
Kiara sick, she sick, she sick. I'm a baby sit down up and study and co. Kiara go do our test them with blood clot, Kobe. That's enough for Noah. That's enough for Noah. Then at the end of the day, I don't give a I don't care. I can't stop bad mind, envious, and wicked people to say what they want. I don't want to stop her neither. Make she do it. I know my babies. I know my children.
Right.
Me not
Yeah.
have to watch there. At 8 o'clock. And Karen no come home and I call her phone. And me can't get her phone. Just I ring her up. Ask me I get vice what. No. I can sit in my house if you know downstairs. 10
Right.
minutes past 4 every day. You hear the key, the door open. And I should
That's
reach
true.
in. Mom, I'll open in the kitchen. She play,
Right.
Mom, and smile. When my baby girl see me, you will see the smile. You know, yesterday, oh, she feels so nice.
Happy. Yeah.
Hey, Kiara friend them love me because Kiara friend them love me. They love Kiara. Kiara popular. They were like, hey, sometimes I say, Kiara, where your friend them? The whole our friend them follow me. And they just come and hug me. You're so pretty. You really so nice. You so fun. You always happy. So the kids them tell me, you know. Right now, two of them depend on live here right now.
Oh Jesus. So we have to be
You
able to
understand?
take a look at
And
friend
every
them.
look, maybe every
Look
look
about
back
Right.
girls, get
because
off the live. Little
she sit
girls, get off
down.
the live.
What are the two them sit down and them hear my
Auntie will
call.
be very
And
bad.
every minute she shall look over and smile upon her mother.
Yeah.
Because she feels
Because
so
them
happy
don't
that
know, it's just like how dirty ear. She and I look ugly pretty them. She feel like she have to pretty alone
yeah,
from graduate.
her mother did it.
Exactly.
And then her mother over their mouth excited. You understand? I would just you know, after when them say picture time and so, I would
Right.
just
Right.
spin, I would just what? Karen said, Mom, gave me my why you have my thing, Mom? You think it's yours? Oh
Right.
God. I'm gonna tell you nothing what wanna do I gonna make me not love my babies them more. Nothing what wanna say is relevant. Rally not gonna away.
Right.
Never. What? How would you want to be like Puss?
Fretdem.
Puss, your life sad. Your life
Fretdem.
sad. You married a prison man. Don't worry.
Knowledge.
Don't worry. You married certificate in the pipeline. Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Them say who can't hear shall feel. I want me to tell
Right.
you say you're gonna feel it, you're gonna feel it. I want me to tell you say when it's all said and it's done. Anywhere you're there, run the world, you're gonna sit down and you're gonna remember my name. And you're gonna remember say I did
Same
one
with the same thing with the ape.
multi-million times.
Same thing
I
with the
have too
blood
much
clot ape.
highly intelligent children. I'm a kids them. Of
And
course, my
friend.
baby girl. I know the letter, the good up letter where you write. Wait, me must say you write more, you know, cause people will not understand. My children, them are write them letter already for when we are put in the courthouse. We're not gonna hear about it. We are gonna hear about it.
Yep.
Yes, bless saying you gotta get baby. But me try to keep away, you know. Me tell the girl, say, listen, me not lucky now. So me I keep away.
From Miss 19. Yes, my love.
I
But
don't care.
that's not our business.
I don't care. I don't care.
Tanya.
Yes, sister.
But Puss know just like how you give you go to her, we go show you how you go take her, you go right back for now. 19-year-old are doing pussy. You can't give you go to pick you go give you a
Curse.
pick.
Right.
I never see somebody can use her dirty life and curse people. She said my mother pussy curse. But yet still, a one time, my brother dead, a woman him dead for. Because to him pretty and nice, and the girl them love him. Yeah. You go get himself in a trouble by him own. As she say, I curse my mother pussy curse that. Here's a person, you know. We are 12
Hello, I
years
feel
in
a pussy curse.
prison
That's why I pick the get
for
stabbed up.
armed
Dirty
robbery.
Frenchie, go tell
Not
Puss
to
them come talk
mention
about
how
our
much
son
prison
stab up.
sentence Oma get.
Right.
Huh? You could get access to your own grandson. Why would I want
Sad.
somebody like that? Like, you're a low life. You're nothing.
That's sad. Lord God.
You understand? Your obsession over my family, it's sickening. It's fucking sickening.
It is.
But me I sleep at night time. Last time I got my bed early.
Mm-hmm.
And me I got my bed, me soon got my bed because me have to make my beauty, me have to get my beauty sleep so me can look nice and young as always. You're like a
Right?
scratch record, Puss. You're a scratch record. You
She
understand?
is. They don't have nothing to
I
talk
talk
about,
it.
nothing to
Lady
And
say.
dirty
Frenchie was
Keiko.
being
And dirty Keiko.
hypocrite. She
Keiko, you
was.
don't work. Stop telling lies.
She
You live on the
was.
government for yourself, pussy and
Because
lie.
she
Go
was
ahead.
on Puss Live one day Monday, off and on, off and on. And when she got there, she was directing at me saying, every time she press her live, and me she see.
Yeah,
And
every
that's
time
not
she
fucking
wake up,
true.
yeah,
That's not
that she
fucking
see
true.
you on live.
Because
Like,
you
what the
there on
fuck?
the woman live for me at the morning right back. And then you go turn to her and say, every time you come past, be the man, you know. Monday, me never do no live, you know.
Right.
And when Candy was live and I went on there, I'm a talk, I'm a leave. But yet still, you say me there on live, but you don't say you were also on live with Puss all day. Me not understand, no.
No,
I
but
I
she
don't
bet
not say
you,
every
understand the
time when
I
logic.
Puss step
bet you
on live.
never say
She hear
nothing.
Keiko.
Because it don't make no
Tanya, that's why
sense.
me say
Because
black
you
the
go
dirty
play
woman.
hypocrite.
Black the dirty woman. Black I
Nah,
keep on
black her.
telling
She
you
want
not
black
to
herself, she
chance
black
too
herself.
much.
Me know them are hypocrites. Me know them, you
Black
know.
the dirty woman,
Me know
Tanya,
them.
black her.
Hmm? Me I say to her, say, right? When she asked Puss about the kids, and Puss said, me never said nothing about the kids. So what Puss I do? Do you see? She over there and Puss like, no, we know. And Puss over there and show the baby them. Kiara and I say, the way you do Puss life, you still the Puss life right now.
Right now.
You know some
Right.
bunch of blood clot hypocrites.
Exactly.
Not hypocrites.
And
Because
it's
the whole of Uno afraid of this woman, this ugly. This
Me never
zoo
tell you you
animal.
learn
this
a woman
ugly
speech.
stay bad
Oh,
woman.
Puss, me know you from long time. Sister, remember she said that in her speech, so you never look no validation for her. Go suck your mother, woman.
You dey on her life. But when Monday you ask her, say, and she say, oh, the man that, who she a cuss now, Lady Frenchie? Who she was cussing, and I show them pictures, say, Kiara, graduate with so cocky. But you still dey on her life, so would it make sense? Pick your side, yo. All you do, don't call my name. Don't make sense. The life the way you do, where you call my name, you never make no sense. You When you got Jamaica, you gonna say, make we do this, make we do that. All you do me and call up with your 30 foot them.
Yeah.
You can't try to blood clot me. You're not see nothing yet, Puss. Me, I'm gonna make you mad. I tell me you can't even touch the life. You're not ashamed. It's pointless arguing with somebody who say their father raped them and then father cocky at the innocent. Why? Oh, Jesus Christ. Like,
Exactly.
I'm unbothered. A pencil, tell you already, you know. Book and pencil I work. Right now, I can't bother. The more evidence. She not sleep now. What you do with carry a picture in your phone? Me not have one picture. Me not
She's
have one
tormented.
picture of your kids in my phone. But you still have, yeah, discriminate me nice, innocent child.
Tanya. Blood clot me, your sister. That clot. She have to watch you and your family. Remember, you have to tell her what
True,
time it
Shar.
is.
That's so
Look, the little
true.
girl just graduated yesterday, not even full 24 hours. And she have a little girl picture.
And she have my
What's
baby
this?
picture.
Exactly.
And I chat shit.
That
Eh?
shows you that the woman
But
is
she show everybody say she's obsessed.
she's
You know she say,
obsessed. Of course she's obsessed.
you're obsessed. The people them block you. Everybody hate you.
She
What
obsessed with your family, Tanya. She
happened?
wants a family like yours, Tanya.
Oh, mamacita, mamacita. Kali, you know what's happening? Kali, you know what's love you actually, girl.
No, I love my baby so, you know.
Kalia get well with Duff.
Kali, I'm an eyeball, man.
I'd be to tell you.
Competition about it. Kali, but buy one way PM. For I be no while feel. It's supposed to come from the 18. My mind just run pan it a while ago. Let me go check and see how I go on.
Kali, I run up on any girl
My
and
baby have to
don't
use
girl.
expensive wipes. Me have to order it online. No, mama.
Avita
No,
wipes are nice.
no, mama, Lily. The wipes me use are it and the lotion and the
Yes.
shampoo and the body wash. Yeah.
Yep.
Probably a rich kid. Me not lie. Yeah, baby, I want all expensive baby, rich baby this. The quality stuff then, the clothes that she wear. Yeah, girl, go mama. No. Girl. Mama well love.
Kalia behave herself when she go to road
Hey, me
yesterday.
not lie. You see that baby ya?
Well
When me and that
quiet.
baby ya got road. You that thing say is a big woman. She sit down in my hand and she dog in a trouble. She not fight for come out of my hand. She
Right?
just relax. I love
But
her, man.
you see her in the picture yesterday when
Yes,
Kiara was
she's
with
very,
her
very,
friends.
very.
She was just being observing, you know what I mean? Looking
Yeah.
around like at
So
people
to
sitting
them, a
right on
friend
the
come.
chair.
To them, a friend come look for me, and my friend I say, Tanya, one thing with Talia, I know, she not cry.
No.
You, sister, you know how all thing make Talia cry. And when Talia come downstairs for her dinner,
Yes.
Talia dinner have to share
Yes. You have
first.
to share it out first or she ball.
Talia food
Murder.
have to share. That should have mad me. Me feel a
Yeah.
reason with her when I say, Kalia, you have to
You have
stop,
to wait,
mama.
mama.
You have to
Yes.
wait, baby girl. You have to wait.
I'll put
And
this
why
in
you
Kalia
the
there
say,
oven.
say
I don't
oh,
so?
let that.
Kalia sit
Why me I
as
say
soon
so
as she
Kalia depend? No.
no. Right. As soon as you
Them girl
even
they
when you
no
give her the
wait
food.
for food.
As soon as you give her the food, she want to eat it right even where she sit down.
Yeah. And
She don't want to move.
she like Mickey Mouse Club so I put on the Disney
Yes.
Channel. And then she just sit down, mama. And then she just sit down like a big woman, like a real G. I eat her
Yeah.
dinner. No,
Yeah.
mama,
She don't
mama,
yo, you know see Kalia wasn't even playing with food when she never had tea, Tanya.
Yes.
A beer gum, cause you have I eat
Me
spaghetti
say
bolognese. Be
me
careful.
can't put a baby. That baby, she not play games. When this a
Well,
girl
how
that
you
want her
expect?
food, Jesus.
What you
Tell her no,
expect? She
mama.
a warrior. She's a
Hey, a warrior
warrior.
this.
Mm-hmm.
Warrior this.
Yeah.
There's something life. But yet still, you go up on her life and I go say every time. Remember, I know me never depend on life, you know. And when me hear you over there, I go up on candy live, you know. And you go turn
Right.
and say every time you press your life. Me I say to her, say enough time in on the internet. For you, I want 3 months. I'm telling you, say every blood clot day. The woman press live with the same thing. Rally, Manda, naked mama. You're mad over me.
Just
Swear.
buy a box this. Just buy one box this and
You
I'm gonna
can't
go to the
stop
super
my brother
and big
from
girls in the
talking.
field, that's what I'm trying to clean it for
Cause
you.
at the end, I
Not
me
for you.
carry on and help.
It's yeah, you know I'm not saying it's not clean,
I
but
mean I leave
like
him
stuff to
alone.
throw out,
Me
like
not
more
gonna stress
stuff.
him.
I wanna make
One
this
day,
burger
one
to
day.
max.
One day. Yes, it's over.
Just I want I done this. Just so they
Where you
said
want
I
him
wanna
to
put
come
it in the
to?
oven
Him
too.
not come to. Cause you not
That's
get
why I
him
was
to
gonna put
come
this in the
talk about
oven.
the family. Them days are over. I'm not cussing neither. I'm not cussing. Cause you guys very, very unwell. You take a unwell man, people, make the man mental state just decrease even more.
And all right. Puss have to feel good. Say for all these years, she be at England and I call girl man code. And got prison, go marry blood
Your
clot, man.
little
Real and
voice.
come against them man blood clot.
Daddy, I love you, no, mama. Oh, mommy love you.
Hey, I'm alive. I'm alive.
Mommy love her baby girl.
I must
Yeah.
have so many kids up in this bitch.
Now the end of the day, what happen? I am not gonna get kids. I'm tired to tell you when it all said and done. And you are the outsider. And you are gonna let it at the core. And it happen.
Yep.
I'm on the line. I'm on the
Anyway,
line,
I
Maya.
want to take it. Him reach out for me, help him. I'm help him with a willing heart, with a loving heart. I'm just put aside what happened.
Mm-hmm.
For me to move on, I can't sit down and eat you go. Because when I sit down on my fault. Yeah? And also, he is sick. You gonna never know nothing about technology or nothing. The man
Oh,
when you got prison, there wasn't no Fretdem phone, smartphone.
Tanya, me soon come, alright? I soon
Alright,
come back.
alright,
Alright.
Yeah,
sister.
yeah.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, you understand? The man was vulnerable. I take the blood clot, man. And every day I say this, big up yourself, Mara. Every day I say this, I say it to her before. This a warrior escalate. I said, Puss, it's you like you go like you. We are not a family who is gonna fight you. We don't understand. The woman did already a plan. The woman hate me. I when we go up on my holiday, she sent her son. It never worked. And her son did tell me. He did. He did said, my mom told me to say it. My mom is wicked. These are the things she make us do. I'm a cuss out, Omar can say. Me not believe you. But that's why. You understand? So at the
Well,
end of the
now
day,
you believe him.
yeah, in the
Now you
end of the
believe
day,
him. I look
all
for blood clots,
along,
so me don't know where you go believe
wanna
that the
eat me
gorilla.
no. Wanna eat me. But me telling you this. Wanna take sleep my death. Yeah? Ask Puss with me and I have is lie. She said bank account, this, that. None of that. As me say, less than 2 weeks of me introducing her to Hugo. Hugo, I go call my baby father. Me play that the other day when him say, boy, I tell Janet about me and Amanda. That are the girl where me used to talk to. The people bear this in mind, you know. Me not say nothing to her, you know. Oh, show me the proof, whatever. And I'm gonna call Raleigh and tell Raleigh everything. Call Raleigh and tell Raleigh what? Tell Raleigh lies? Tell Raleigh storyteller? Huh? You try. And why you upset with Raleigh? Because what you don't want to do, it no work. Where? Where? What is somebody thing is if God did say you got go all or whatever you go would have still did it. But no, you're wicked. You're sick with wickedness. You understand? Hatred and bad mind will kill you. You get it. You get the opportunity to raise the children them, but you never take it. Because you have to teach the people them, the cheap for them.
Joshua!
You wake up and you go up on the road and thief all day. And then you crawl, come. And then you go and dance. And then you crawl in. And you don't get up and make your kids them breakfast, make sure them bed and clean. I go school clean. When my picnic them I go school, the teacher them, oh, Kmft, that perfume is nice. And Kmft said, thank you. But a people like you, yeah, not for uno eat me, yeah, but uno for watch this we go on, right? And no say one day, uno gonna be like me, she gonna come. And the thing with it, the people them never they really eat me as much as all the people them that eat Keiko. Are you Keiko? You're not no sense. Stop calling me name Keiko. Stop calling
me a stinking pussy mouth.
And Love Sanders do her this and Ray Love Sanders are gonna get deal with. Eep gonna get deal with.
Tanya, we done with Eep
You
Sanders.
understand? But when I say, when I idiot, you Keiko. I say that on Puss life. I Puss I tell you to leave Fretdem and Dr. Love. That she don't rate you. She don't rate you.
Exactly.
But yes, you put it at the bars. I said to her, so why won't you leave, Tanya? No.
Okay. I was waiting for that, Keiko. Keiko, you're right. I'm not going to lie. Puss is so right. Dr. Love don't see you, Keiko. And you talking about Dr. Love. Let me tell you something. Like I said, Dr. Love could sue you for his name. Dr. Love is copyright. You talking about Disha. Disha, that's her fucking real name, bitch. And only because I don't be sending Disha this bullshit, I'm telling you, Keiko, your name is Keiko Araldo. I know your address. Disha is a fucking professional nurse. Bitch, you will get in trouble because when you putting up Disha picture, I know what to think about it. I'm gonna call Disha when I'm done, and I'm gonna send Disha your address, and I'm gonna have Disha have a liar contact you, Keiko. I sue you for that 2-bedroom the way you have and turn around and sell it. And Disha don't want it. Remember, you could never say Disha when Disha they pan live, me, Disha and Dr. Love. Disha don't even know you. Disha don't say your fucking name. And you could never say Disha made a life. And you are so dumb, but guess what? You're going to get what you want. Motherfucker, me think about it. Me going to do it. I have the life what she do. Me going to sell it to Disha. I'm going to make Disha have enough money can't pay a liar. Because I see Disha no know girl. And Disha send $100, $200, $300 go get dirty pussy girl. And you sit there, you call Disha name. And nobody not saying to you, what, who the fuck is Disha? Just like how when Eve start talking about Shireen. Who the fuck is Shireen? No, none of you people not sitting there and say, who the fuck is this? Eve, you can't beat nobody. Eve, you love to talk about say run to police. I went there, me send Storm, the blood clot thing. When you say you run to police. When you say, oh, I'm taking this one straight to the police. Remember in the email, so good girl, because you don't know what we have. We have things where you just come out live. Remember, I never know who the fuck you are, Jiggy, Starboy. I'm still have all that thing there. When Jiggy, Starboy, come tell me, oh, Fretdem, somebody by the name of Eep Sanders, I call your name. I say, who name so? Me have all of that for sure. We never know who you are. And you want to come out and telling lies. Like the other day, so good girl, when we come for your page and I said, yeah, call all cake on them. When I came on your page, you talk about you know about Omari from YouTube. Number one, you're a fucking liar. Everybody know from Omari and back days, it was no YouTube. How you just get up on YouTube and start search Omari? That doesn't make sense. You knew about Omari from fucking Facebook. That's where everybody know about this big stinking girl from Facebook.
Yep.
Face fucking book. So when you want to sit here and come with your lie and all your bullshit, try again, dirty whore.
Them
Try
lie,
again.
man, be a lie, them fabricate. Cause you know enough. The ape know enough, cause the ape, me see the ape for sure. One live we push the day. Right? She dep on it. She was on it. No say it wasn't me. But that don't
But I
stop
know that.
her.
Remember the first live what she do? Right up on our page,
Hello.
the page we take down. Remember we have the live. When she did that, I said, baby, Lee, run with my name. I know they start now and show your ugly face. Lady, I will not show your face, your vibes. You have a fucked up voice that you can't hide like my one. You know, my voice sounds fucking annoying. Like how when Kmft said, me a follow her up. Me, the pan Kiki live and the dirty pussy girl said, me a follow her up. And I she blood clot when the people inbox and get shame. Remember me a Jamaican, me I love follow up all of them. You not. And your Kmft said, me a follow you up. And your demons, them a follow you up. Remember, I ask a pussy yourself, your blood clot living. Yeah. Pussy them girl yourself, you're living, I want to come blame people in the dirty hole. And bright.
Exactly.
I want to put in the dirty hole for people. Too much time. Dirty pussy girl.
Now look, may I use the law. You understand? It's pointless.
Nothing better than you. Because you can't catch them, so might as well. That's it. You have to use for them. You can't catch them, so might as well.
Yeah. Whatever them want to say. You understand? You're bad mind. You're envious. Post. You see me, I'm alive. You see me, I'm a man. I'm a man, love me. You think say you can't ever see back rallying mother and approach her? Me not ask Christ. The woman learn her lesson. You go to the woman with all type of lies. And then you sit down and wait. Oh, me I wait cause rallying family ma come bring down Tanya. All know none of them can come. All know. When I said and done, like me, I like me, not me in our son life. As I said, me cannot deal with a woman child and eat the mama. I don't like her ways, but I don't hate her that I'm gonna sit down and pray the woman. No. That's my children, them, grandmother. Whether she eat me or not.
People them the careless like she is.
But the
Things that
people
the
that,
people them
but
the
watch I
careless
say,
people.
them a come bring her down. You think everybody have time for you? People work and have them life, yo. You want to make be a mix up. Eh? And that you go say, sit down and must say, why would you do that? Why you can't go look for the woman to tell the woman all type of things? Say me do and me say. It no work. It fail. Move on, yo.
The bad thing up there.
You're sick. Me like when you class the kids them. Cause more evidence. More evidence. Me
Yeah,
not
me like
like
when
you.
show the water head picnic.
I would have never come over here so up on no platform and show none of your kids them. Whether them are adults or not. Me not give you my rights.
Must be your mother and that girl black and ugly, you fuck. Char wagwan. Exactly. Me can't see what them are right. That means say them black means an enemy.
You know,
No
yeah,
enemy.
they're following me. Why you wanna yeah, cause why you black Fretdem?
Yeah. Why
And
you
the
black
person
blood
they on my
clot
page,
them?
they want follow me. I don't know when them
Yeah.
say, yeah. Who you? Identify yourself.
Yeah, them black, my sister, let's look on the right thing. Them black. But they want to come up here and argue. You don't want to come argue with me. You're not going to work. See me, I see the comment them, so me know see another comment is a problem. Yeah.
So may I block that page and know. Identify yourself. Cause at the ear page. At the ear page.
And what your black sister, make sure you black all any page you should ever make.
Me I wait upon her for type. Me I wait upon her for type, cause she send me for other, me not put none of uno for my life.
Dirty ear, dirty pussy girl, you not get out of here, so.
Oh,
Tanya looks is busy. Me, I see the comment them. I mean, I see the page at type. So that means that the page has to block me.
it not type, you know. It just send me to come join the live.
Tanya should have screenshot it and send it come.
You understand?
You know the rules, sister. Sis, you know the rules.
Okay, Queenie. Where do you send it in my wet name?
Yeah, get off of fucking live. We don't want no gorilla over here.
Yeah, sure, you know.
Dirty. I gotta be dirty here. She not had nobody on her blood clot page. Mister, when them go over there no time, I want to rub out the dirty woman, you know. Rub out the dirty blood clot pussy woman. Guess what she do? Truly let me
That page, sister, me I wait for them wait name, but them nah. Them nah.
Dairy one go on. Dairy, this is my new page. Me soon come follow you. So nobody black me.
Maguno, a good wife type. Who is you? Black in time.
Alright.
That's the page she. What page do, sister?
What page?
The page I put up and tag a while ago. The pin.
You don't know where to me ask you.
Yes, sister, she, me a black her.
Yeah, black the dirty bitch as she. So good woman. What do you mean you can't understand?
Me black all her page.
You can't understand, right? You know, some me have no, cause since so much people want to come in on my other page, I don't want them in on my page so them can come in on this one. You know the rules, diary. Them are the so pussy, them always coming on my page.
Stormy.
To the page there where Tanya tag. Yeah. I gotta be the dirty one.
She, me black her a while ago. No one up on the page.
Never coming on the right page. It's one of these dirty or.
If you have a fake page, me go black you know.
Straight just like that. Just like that, sister. Black out them dirty blood clot. You know too much, you know walk up every girl page over here. No dog shit, you know. Now for Gwen.
Okay.
I want to look on my page.
Queen Lisa, where you send the message in my wet name?
You must send a message to sister?
No. Oh, my little friend. She sent me something. I asked her about WhatsApp. Wanna make bad mind get the best out, you know. Yeah, me know say she make Puss listen to the live. You understand?
Yeah, but she make Puss listen to it. Dirty Keiko, you idiot girl. When Puss talk, you have to listen. So pussy girl, you didn't want Dr. Love to give you, but Dr. Love now look for you. Not even put for your dirty blood clot. So when you call Dr. Love name, Dr. Love is a man. When you say fuck me, remember no woman fuck me. And Dr. Love now push up no 9 dildo in me a babe.
Yeah, bad mind I kill them.
Say Dr. Love is not a man. Remember, you itch up online, you claim to say you're married. But you're married and you have 2 dildo in your dirty pussy. In Keiko, you watch girl and I look on girl and girl no see you. This shall worry your blood clot. But you know what? Never take up it and never send the live where you do it here. And I show this shot. That stress out your blood clot. Remember, I saw Misha, I saw when the girl named Mishika. Did I stress out your nasty blood clot too? When you come to New York, I want to fight for your shanty. Cokehead girl. Granny blood clot girl. Riverton dump old girl.
Sister. You black, my little friend.
Which little friend?
Bad girl. She can't come.
Bad girl what?
Bad girl. But she spell it BADGYA.
Black. Them deserve to get black. That
No
means them
man,
and do
no man.
something.
Me and she talk for phone. Good man, them people are good.
Tanya, don't yeah, I'm Pussy to talk on phone too. No.
No, man, them she alright.
Sister, we
Them
don't.
people are
Sister, what me tell us say?
them people are fight for me, sister. Me can't.
People,
Me have
anytime
my
we
good
hear me and
people
Tanya
them.
war, and that's the only thing we have a war for.
Me have my
Not to
good
talk
people
about say
them,
this
man.
person that no. No. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, child.
Yes, Diana. Always a black me people them.
Thank me say diary. Anybody with black our we cite them and see something talk to my friend. My Instagram friend talk to
But
anybody with
remember
black
I
our we
know.
cite them and do something.
Remember I know,
Tanya, you have
sister.
to understand. So Tanya, you know me no black nobody like so let's
No,
make
but
a
sister,
wrong
we have to understand, you know. When them go over the people them page, you know. If them say no, but me, good, shall black them.
Yeah. Don't worry. That's why everybody must go over there and say good make she black.
So
How
that's
many people
why
can she black?
probably yesterday them have type up, but cause them want.
Yes, Darren. She always say me and you are black.
Yeah,
I don't
but
see good
no
friend.
man, them
Them a
people are
wicked.
good people, man. Good. Them watch your to everything. They don't know.
I am blocking everybody. I want to block everybody. Can I block everybody blood? I want to block
I
everybody.
don't know why these people
Tanya, the girl, them love you.
prepare
Me
to
not
talk the
lie.
truth.
Tanya, one. Hold on there. Hold on, Puss. Come out and tell the people why you don't want to cost cheese no more. You did pay cheese to come out for you, so you feel like Tanya go pay you. Tanya go pay you. I lie your blood.
Yeah, she don't
Come out and
know.
tell the people why cheese stop cost you. And cheese now look for you no more. Big dirty woman. Because you'd have to send money go get cheese. Move your blood clot. You think we don't know where you're going, boy? You stink the blood clot. In drunk, eh? Drunk, dirty ear. Dirty ear. You used to make live. Yeah, let me show you your steer. You say you have a husband, right? But you have to carry the girls, them go ride bike.
Mama,
you have to carry them go beach. You have to, where is the husband coming? What is the fucking husband doing for you? Absolutely nothing.
That show
But
you
me
look
have to
nice
say,
now. Watch that show
Tanya,
you me
after we
done.
come off alive, you know, we are going to discuss the letter where you get lad me well have to know, but me let me know the crowd can't know before.
Yeah, them know that right time. We know.
Yeah. We're not going to know at the right time because we can't give nothing out of the box no more. Puss just continue to do some more live because I need to compare the other house to the other house.